Modern manufacturing is always changing, and this is especially true in the aerospace industry. Demand is high, and the key to keeping up is to make new planes stronger and lighter than ever before. 3D printing holds the key. Additive manufacturing makes it possible to use advanced composite polymers to make precision aircraft parts that also yield significant cost and energy savings. To deliver on the promise of additive manufacturing, Hexcel has developed HexAM, a sophisticated marriage of PEKK high-performance thermoplastic and the world's most robust additive manufacturing technology.
Hexcel is a global leader in advanced composite technology. We make composite materials such as carbon fiber, prepregs, honeycomb structures for use in commercial aerospace, space and defense, as well as industrial applications. Within commercial aerospace, you'll find our materials on wings, fuselages, engine fan blades, nacelles, and many other components. You'll also find our material on helicopter blades, wind turbine blades, structural parts for cars. As a general rule of thumb, if it flies, Hexcel is on board.
Hexcel was founded in 1948 and has a long history of thinking outside the box to provide advanced composite materials. Over the past 70 years, Hexcel has fostered a culture of innovation and continuous improvement to provide unmatched value for their customers.
So our additive manufacturing process is a combination of advanced material science, which Hexcel is a global leader of, and advanced machine technology. Our ability to take a high-performance thermoplastic and combine it with Hexcel carbon fiber, we're able to provide an engineered solution to a customer that meets their structural and quality requirements.
We're bringing the promise of 3D printing, lighter materials, complex shapes, but we're doing it with a real engineering grade material. You know, engineers already know how to design with steel or aluminum because they've been doing it for so long. What we do is we bring that same reliability to 3D printing. So we start with a high performance material, an under control process, and years of data on how the material prints. And the result is that the engineering community can take that data and design for it, just like they do in traditional manufacturing methods.
We're constantly looking for ways to innovate. It's part of who we are. So always looking for our customers ways to deliver high performance, significant weight and cost savings. We take high performance PEKK thermoplastic material and we add it to our high performance aerospace qualified carbon fiber. We put the two together to make some of the world's most complex, lightweight, additive manufacturing parts serving the aerospace industry today.
As a leading provider of aerospace composites, Hexcel is paving the way in advanced composites technology and additive manufacturing innovation for aerospace customers around the world.